You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know too many people get it wrong. If you want to learn more confusing names from Game of Thrones, all the confusing ones, I've got many more for you, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. I'll have all of them for you there. Westeros. Let's break it down. West, just like West. Westeros. The stress on that first syllable, so it's not Westeros or Westeros. Westeros. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.